Hello, this is my unboxing. Hello, this is my unboxing of the Alienware R18 M18 R2, I think it is called. It's my first 18-inch laptop. Usually I'd get 17.3 inches, but they seem to be being phased out and being replaced by the 18 inches. Since I do a fair bit of gaming on my laptops, I wanted bigger screens and I don't have a monitor. So that's why I went with the Alienware this time. My previous laptop still actually works, but it ran into a problem where the Ethernet doesn't seem to work anymore. It causes my computer to crash. So I can use it wirelessly, but if I plug in the Ethernet cable, it crashes. So since I basically need a laptop, I decided to get a replacement now. Not certain if I'm going to do a follow-up video, since those don't usually seem to do so hot, but I'll at least do the unboxing. So, opening the lid was pretty easy. No tools necessary. I actually brought over a scissors just in case, but I didn't see a need for it. I'm guessing this is going to be the power cable. Yep, here's the power cable. Ooh, that is quite a brick. The brick's not very well, I don't know. I'd say it's one of the heavier bricks I've ever had. And it seems to come in 2 cords. So there is the brick itself with its own, I think it even has a proprietary connection. And then here's the extension cable. All right, so now that that's out of the way, whoops, I'll pick that up later. Let's open up the laptop. So I guess you're supposed to do this? Wow. All right, so one thing that will seem to be fairly well documented, it is a beast of a laptop. It didn't feel that heavy carrying it up. Okay, so here it is. It is the, can't focus? Why can't it focus? Okay, it's the Alienware M18 R2. I went with the 470 version, even though that was probably due to a little bit of impatience. About a week after I ordered it, there was a sale for the 480 version for the same price. I went with 2 terabytes hard drive and 32 gigabytes of memory. That seems to be sweet spot for me. So a little bit of paper, I'm guessing these are stickers, and the usual safety and regulation documents in here. I don't think there's anything else under here. So once again, it's a nice box. Not gonna have any use for it unless I need to ship the laptop or something. So I'll just toss the box in a corner somewhere, just in case I need it for shipping. Yeah, so as I was saying, the laptop itself is a little bit hefty. Definitely the heaviest laptop I have. I think they say it comes up to about 9 pounds, and it's a bit of a beast in terms of size, so it probably won't fit in my laptop bag. We'll see. I'll try that, and if I do a follow-up video, I'll report on whether or not it fits in the 17-inch laptop bag I have. Okay, now opening it. The screen's a bit hefty to lift up. The screen's a bit hefty to lift up, but I'm trying to see if I can actually tell the difference that the screen's bigger. It might be in my head, but it does seem to be a little bit bigger than the previous laptop I had. But anyways, I'm gonna fully charge it before I turn it on. And as I said, I don't know if I'll do a follow-up video, but we'll see. I guess I have a day and a half of installing all the programs that I have and moving over my passwords. What fun. Have a good day. Bye.